The man in charge of the Besieged Families SA has told a parliamentary inquiry that just because parents take illegal drugs doesn't mean their children will be taken off them. Tony Harrison says some children never recover from being taken into state care.
The parliamentary inquiry was prompted by recent child protection failures, including allegations of sexual abuse by a Families SA carer and the death of Chloe Valentine. The agency knew her mother used drugs, but Department Chief Tony Harrison says that alone wouldn't necessarily prompt a child's removal.
It wouldn't automatically, nor should it automatically trigger a need to remove a child.
He says tens of thousands in the community use illicit drugs or abuse alcohol, and many would be parents.
We would look to assess and monitor, I guess, the ability or the inability of a parent to provide a requisite level of care.
If somebody's using illicit substances, then we really have to ask the question if they're suitable to be looking after their children.
But Mr Harrison says removing children is a last resort.
Removing a child can literally cause more detrimental harm in the form of abuse or neglect.
Mr Harrison said in some cases several child protection notifications might not collectively warrant a child's removal. However, conversely, in other cases one might be enough.
So yes, we have heard numbers of notifications, and why hasn't the department done something? Numbers on their own don't necessarily mean a great deal.
Diplomatic though on questions of resourcing.
I would never necessarily knock back resources if they were available.
There are not enough resources in the world necessary to be able to investigate child protection notifications that occur on 1 in 4 families.
Tom Richardson, 9 News.